Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to set a video as your wallpaper on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So since you're using Android, the first thing you should do here is go to your Google Play Store and then you have to look for Live Wallpaper. There are tons of applications here that you can use and all you have to do is to install. For example, I'm going to use this application, Live Wallpaper here. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to install this application, wait for a couple of seconds or minutes, depends on your internet connection. Now, once done, then what I'm going to do here is open, tap this three lines, and I should see this option right here. I can add from my gallery. After that, it will take you to your gallery, and all you have to do is to select that video that you want to set as your wallpaper to your Android. As you can see, this is what it looks like. And then the next thing to do is tap on the apply option and wait for a couple of seconds as it is setting your wallpaper. So if you exit and go to your home or home screen, then basically you should see the video that you have set here as your wallpaper. As easy as that. So that's how you basically set a video as your wallpaper on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.